Hi, I'm Tomas Erikson. I'm the BDM for Smart Meetings at Maverick Nordics. And with me here today I have Linus Creutz, who is our Lenovo guru on the Nordic field, a BDM supporting our sales specialists across the Nordic countries, focusing only on the smart office products. We are here to talk about ThinkSmart Core. Linus, what is ThinkSmart Core? If you can open that box a little bit.
Yeah, sure. If you simple it down, it's a purpose-built room solution for Microsoft Teams. So it comes with a touchscreen and a compute pre-installed with Teams. So that's the base bundle. But then you can also have it in the full room kit, and then you have the ThinkSmart Cam and ThinkSmart Bar. Both of them are certified for Teams large rooms, but you can also have other peripherals from other vendors. So how it works is that you invite the conference room, as you usually do when you book it, but you add a Teams link. So when you later enter the room, we have an IR sensor on the touch screen, which will sense that you're entering the room, fire up the compute, touch screen, TV screen, camera, everything, and then you just click join on the touch screen and you're in the meeting without any fuzz.
Sounds very powerful. We all know the ThinkSmart Hub that has been around on the market for a while, actually in the second version as we speak. What are the main differences, Linus, between ThinkSmart Hub and ThinkSmart Core?
Yeah, first of all, it's a completely different design. So the ThinkSmart Hub you place on the table. You have both microphones and speakers in it, so you only need to add a camera for a complete solution. The cabling are drawn under the table, and then you plug it into a universal cable, and then plug it into the hub. With the core, you put all the cabling into the compute, which you can put behind the TV screen, for example, or under the table. And then you only have one USB-C cable that goes and also powers the touchscreen. So this is maybe a more sleek design, but the other one is also a very easy solution when you have everything in it, so to say. But the core also have an Intel Iris graphic card, which means that you're actually handling the content or present sharing in the compute instead of the Teams app, which all the competitor does. So this enables a more easygoing and powerful sharing with basically no lag if you compare it to others at least.
So I see. So yeah, it's possible to mount the device itself behind the screen. That's the core, and all in one solution on the table is then more the hub, what we have seen before.
Exactly.
Sounds very interesting and very powerful. If you also would like to hear more about Lenovo and the smart office products, especially the ThinkSmart Core, reach out to us at Maverick and we'll set up a call to talk more about ThinkSmart Core.